Hello, sir. Are you Muslim, sir? You, sir. Please come in.
Do not bear false witness against your neighbour.
Would you? So you're a Muslim. If there is a family member who is not a Muslim, would you like to hate them?
I don't have that experience about Islam. I just pray, yeah, and I get good advice.
Sure. Let me ask you this particular question. If the book says hate non-Muslims, even if they were your father or siblings, is that a good book?
I don't understand what he said. What he said say again?
Hate. You know, the opposite of love.
Hate what?
Hate.
Yeah, but hate what?
Hate non-Muslims. Anyone who is not a Muslim, hate them.
No, we don't say that. We don't.
If I showed that in the Quran, just give me 1 second.
No, from the Quran.
I'm going to show from the Quran, yeah. I show you from the Quran. I just need to quickly get the reference.
Show me.
Yeah, 1 second.
That's what my cow is.
What is your cow?
My cow has magic meat. When I hit a dead person, they wake up.
That's your friend. He was a cow. That's your friend.
1 second.
Okay,
1 second.
Don't take the cow.
But I want the Quran.
Yeah,
I don't want this.
I'm going to.
I want Quran.
Yeah.
Okay, show me the Quran. Where is
I'm going to. 1 second.
Where is it?
1 second. Just 1 second.
And you know my cow, when I take its meat
Magdul.
and I go to the hospital, all the dead people will
Wait.
wake up. And when I
1
hit them with
second.
that meat,
Yeah. What is your cow?
Surah Al-Baqarah meat.
Where?
1 second.
You eat.
Surah 58, Ayah 22.
What?
58, 22.
Bring the Quran.
Here.
Uncle, that is
Surah
not your
58.
Cow. It's not your cow. It's my cow.
Show me. Where?
Okay, please read this for me. Surah 58, Ayah 22.
Where is 58?
Here.
There's no 58, man.
Surah 58, Ayah 22.
You read it. I don't know how to read. You read it.
You will not find a people who believe in Allah and the last day having affection for those who oppose Allah and His Messenger, even if they were their fathers or their sons or their brothers or their kindred. So essentially, if anyone...
Where they said you have to hate them? Where say that?
Please,
say that?
one second.
Oh, come on.
Pay attention.
Come on, man.
Pay attention.
Come on, man.
No. Pay attention.
Come on, man.
Excuse me, sir. Please pay attention. You will not find
your
a...
cow?
Excuse me, sir. Please stay with
Aki.
Aki. Find out a cow somewhere else.
We have to hate.
You will not... No, don't get help from him. He is confused.
Why you get help from the people then?
He has escaped from the asylum and he needs to return there. Please don't get help from him. Surah 58, Ayah 22. Especially not now, because around 5 they will come for him.
Okay, show me where.
Surah 58,
Okay.
Ayah 22 is very clear. You will not find a people who believe in Allah on the last day, which is, any Muslim. You won't find a Muslim having affection. Having affection.
Where is the fiction?
Here. Having affection
Yeah.
for those who oppose Allah and His Messenger. In other words, a Muslim cannot have affection towards non-Muslims. Even if they were their fathers or their sons or their brothers or their kindred. In other words, Islam tells you, if you are a Muslim, to hate.
No.
Even if they are your father or brother or son or other relatives, if they are not Muslims, you better hate.
Wait.
Is that a good idea?
Show me. Wait.
I showed you multiple times.
Wait. Show me. I said to you, I don't know how to read it. Show me. Where?
Okay, please read.
Where?
Just the 2 lines, please read.
Where?
Look, you're now acting like someone who can't comprehend. Look,
Yeah, but-
58:22, the first 2 lines. You see the first 2 lines?
No,
Yeah.
boss, you said.
No, please read, please.
You said.
Please read and then say anything else,
inside
please.
The Quran said.
Excuse me,
you
sir,
have
please
to
read.
hate them. You
Please
said
read.
that. Yes,
Please-
or no?
please
I
read.
got the record.
Sure, please read.
I said to you, I don't know how to read it. I'm asking you.
You don't know how to read?
I'm asking you the question.
Could you read?
I'm asking you the
Would
question.
you read?
I'm asking you the question.
Would you read?
Don't run away. I'm asking you the question.
I'm staying here.
You said, inside the Quran said, you have to hate them. Show me. Where is it?
If you don't have affection to your father or brother what do you have towards them? You're running away right now. You're running away right now.
But you
Are
get
you
money,
running away
you
right
get
now?
money for that. You get money
Are you running away right now?
I'm not running away.
What kind of religion is this, my dear friends? It tells you, if you're a Muslim, to not have affection.
Show me where does this say?
Okay, maybe you have a comprehension issue. Let's ask someone else. If you are a Muslim and if you're not supposed to have affection towards a non-Muslim, even if they are your father or brother or son or any other relative, if you can't love them, what do you do to them? If you can't love them, what do you do to them?
What do you mean?
What do you work somewhere? Do you do something in life?
I don't understand you.
But you don't understand basic things. Is that what Islam teaches you?
I don't understand your accent.
Look, Islam first of all teaches you to hate. Second of all, when you are shown that it teaches you to hate, it makes you it teaches you to look like a fool. You know, look at him. My dear friend, look.
You don't.
Don't
Just
what?
say you don't have to close to them.
Yeah, having no affection, what does that mean? Having no affection, what does that mean? If you don't have affection towards your father, how do you behave?
Bro, I ask you.
No, you know the answer. It's very simple. No, it's pretend. Let's pretend that
but
we're not doing
why
religion.
ask me the
We're
question?
doing primary schooling.
I told
It's
you.
a simple comprehension exam. Simple question. Surah 58, Ayah 22. What does it say? You don't even have to admit to the rest of the issues of Islam at all. You don't have to agree with me right now that Islam is a murderous death cult. You don't have to right now. You don't have to agree with me that Islam is a genocidal cult. You can't do that. You don't have to do that right now. All that I'm asking you to do is from this verse, do a simple thing. And you can't do. Because exactly, you're doing the same thing. Look at him. Doing the same thing that Islam teaches him to do. Which is, if you're a Muslim, hate, lie, sneak away.